As AI continues to revolutionize the world of project management, the big question arises, can it completely replace project managers? Or are there critical human skills that AI just can't replicate? Today, we're diving deep into this debate to find out. Hello and welcome to Next Chair. If you're passionate about project management and want to stay updated on the latest trends in technology and leadership, you are in the right place. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content. Today's topic is one of the most debated questions in the project management industry. Can AI replace project managers? While AI has made tremendous progress in automating tasks and improving efficiency, there's still a lot to consider when it comes to the human side of project management. Let's break down why project managers remain irreplaceable despite the rise of AI. As we dive deeper into this topic, let's first explore how AI excels in data handling but still lacks something critical: human judgment. 1. AI excels in data handling but lacks human judgment. AI has significantly transformed how we manage data in project management, making processes faster and more efficient. It automates a wide range of tasks, allowing teams to focus on more strategic activities. Key functions where AI shines include: 1. Task scheduling. AI can automatically create and update schedules based on team availability, workload, and project deadlines, ensuring tasks are distributed fairly and timelines are met. 2. Resource allocation. AI efficiently assigns resources based on project needs and team capacity, helping prevent resource overuse or underutilization, thus improving overall project efficiency. 3. Risk identification. AI analyzes historical data and trends to predict potential risks, flagging bottlenecks before they occur. It provides recommendations to mitigate risks and keep the project on track. However, AI's capabilities are fundamentally tied to the data it has been trained on. While AI can process vast amounts of information and suggest the most efficient solutions, it cannot replace human judgment when it comes to handling more nuanced aspects of project management. For instance, 1. Dealing with unpredictability. Projects often face unexpected changes or challenges that don't fit standard patterns. AI may struggle to adapt in real time, whereas a human project manager can draw from experience and intuition to quickly pivot and make decisions. 2. Ethical and emotional considerations. AI lacks the ability to consider ethical dilemmas or manage human emotions. For example, if a project requires pushing deadlines that may lead to team burnout, AI might prioritize efficiency over the team's well-being. A project manager, however, would weigh both the project's goals and the team's morale, making decisions that are both efficient and compassionate. In short, AI excels at data-driven tasks and can greatly enhance efficiency, but human oversight is essential for handling unpredictable situations, ethical decisions, and managing the emotional and interpersonal dynamics within a team. If you're finding this helpful so far, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more insights on the evolving role of AI in project management. Now that we've seen AI's strengths with data, let's move on to an area where project managers truly shine: handling human factors and managing team dynamics. 2. Project managers handle human factors, emotional intelligence, and team dynamics. AI is powerful in automating tasks and analyzing data, but it falls short when it comes to managing people. A project manager's role goes beyond just managing tasks. They lead teams, resolve conflicts, and build strong relationships, which are crucial for project success. 1. Leadership and motivation. Project managers inspire their teams, especially during challenging times. AI can provide data, but it can't boost morale or adapt leadership styles based on the team's emotional state. Human guidance is needed to keep the team motivated and focused. 2. Conflict resolution. Disagreements and conflicts are a natural part of team dynamics. Empathy, communication, and negotiation are key to resolving these issues, and only a project manager can manage these human complexities. AI lacks the emotional understanding required to resolve interpersonal conflicts. 3. Stakeholder management. Dealing with stakeholders requires effective communication and expectation management. Project managers handle these relationships, negotiate outcomes, and balance stakeholder needs, something AI is not equipped to do. In all these areas, emotional intelligence is essential for understanding and managing human interactions. While AI supports data-driven decisions, it cannot replace the human touch needed to lead teams, resolve conflicts, and maintain strong relationships. Managing people is one thing, but what about solving complex problems? Let's look at why human creativity is still essential for strategic decision-making. 3. Complex problem solving requires human creativity. While AI can analyze data, identify patterns, and provide recommendations, it lacks the creativity and adaptability that humans bring to complex problem solving. Projects often encounter unique challenges that don't fit into predefined patterns or algorithms, requiring human insight to develop innovative solutions. 1. Strategic decision making. AI can assist by offering data-driven insights, but it's the project manager who must align these insights with the organization's broader objectives. This requires understanding the business's long-term strategy, culture, and stakeholder priorities, something that AI cannot fully grasp. 2. Creative problem solving. Certain challenges demand solutions that AI simply can't generate because they require out-of-the-box thinking. Project managers are skilled at navigating unforeseen obstacles by leveraging creativity and experience to design solutions that meet both technical and business needs. While AI is great for optimizing efficiency and providing data-driven support, human creativity remains critical for tackling complex, multidimensional problems. Project managers excel at making final decisions by considering a wide range of factors, including organizational goals, stakeholder expectations, and strategic vision, elements that AI cannot fully comprehend or navigate. If you are enjoying this deep dive, make sure to share this video with your colleagues in project management community. We're just getting started with this important discussion. While creativity is key, so is making ethical decisions. AI can offer efficiency, but it can't navigate moral responsibilities like a human project manager can. 4. Ethical considerations and moral responsibility. While AI excels at providing data-driven recommendations, it lacks the ability to handle ethical considerations and make decisions that align with moral values. In project management, ethical dilemmas often arise, and project managers are responsible for navigating these situations in ways that balance efficiency with ethical integrity. 1. Balancing efficiency and well-being. AI might suggest pushing teams to meet tight deadlines for maximum productivity, but a human project manager must consider the well-being of the team. Overworking staff to meet a deadline could lead to burnout, reduced morale, and long-term productivity loss, factors that AI doesn't account for. Human oversight ensures that both the speed of delivery and team welfare are balanced properly. 2. Profit versus social responsibility. In some cases, there may be conflicts between profit goals and the organization's social responsibility. For example, an environmentally friendly solution might be less cost-effective in the short term, but it aligns better with the company's values. AI would likely recommend the most cost-efficient option, while a project manager must weigh these decisions against broader ethical responsibilities. 3. Moral judgment. Human project managers are tasked with making decisions that not only achieve project goals but also protect the interests of all stakeholders, including employees, clients, and the community. This requires a deep understanding of ethical judgment and company values, something AI cannot replicate. AI can optimize based on numbers, but it cannot factor in moral implications or ensure decisions are made with empathy and responsibility. In summary, project managers play a crucial role in ensuring that decisions are not just efficient, but also ethical. They are responsible for making choices that align with the company's values and take into account the long-term impact on all stakeholders, something AI is unable to do. Ethics aside, the world of project management is constantly changing. So, how do project managers remain adaptable in dynamic environments? Let's find out. 5. Adaptability in changing environments. One of the key strengths of project managers is their adaptability, a critical trait that allows them to thrive in unpredictable environments. While AI is excellent at working with structured data and predefined rules, it struggles when faced with the ever-changing, real-time nature of project management. Human project managers excel at making quick, informed decisions when the unexpected occurs. 1. Changing client needs. Projects often evolve as client requirements shift. When a client changes the project scope midway, AI may struggle to reassess the new demands without predefined data, but a project manager can quickly reassess timelines, adjust budgets, and reallocate resources while ensuring client satisfaction. Project managers can negotiate with clients, manage expectations, and balance the new scope with existing project constraints, all while maintaining relationships. 2. Crisis management. During crises, such as supply chain disruptions or unexpected setbacks, project managers are required to act swiftly. While AI can offer data-driven suggestions, it lacks the intuition, experience, and judgment necessary to make critical decisions under pressure. In these high-stakes situations, project managers rely on their quick thinking and experience to pivot the project direction, solve problems creatively, and guide their teams through uncertainty. Project managers thrive in ambiguous, dynamic environments where flexibility is key. They understand that plans can change at any moment, and their ability to adapt and make real-time decisions is what keeps projects on track. AI's data-driven logic is valuable, but it is often too rigid to handle the nuanced, complex situations that arise in real-world project management. This adaptability makes human project managers indispensable, particularly in high-stress, fast-changing project landscapes. If you agree that human adaptability and leadership are key to project success, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Stay connected for more project management tips and AI insights. We've covered adaptability, but what about AI's role? Let's explore how AI is a tool that enhances, but doesn't replace, the vital role of a project manager. 6. AI as a tool, not a replacement. AI has become an invaluable tool in project management, significantly enhancing efficiency and productivity, but it is not a replacement for human project managers. The true power of AI lies in its ability to augment human capabilities, allowing project managers to focus on more complex and strategic responsibilities. Here's how AI assists project managers. 1. Automating repetitive tasks. AI can take over routine tasks such as scheduling, progress tracking, and generating reports, freeing up project managers from time-consuming administrative work. This allows them to dedicate more time to critical aspects of the project that require human oversight. 2. Providing real-time data and analytics. AI delivers real-time insights and data analytics, helping project managers make more informed decisions quickly. By analyzing large datasets, AI can offer accurate forecasts on project progress, resource allocation, and potential issues. 3. Risk forecasting and recommendations. AI's ability to forecast risks based on historical data helps project managers identify potential pitfalls early. AI can also recommend actions to mitigate risks, allowing project managers to proactively address issues before they escalate. With AI handling these routine and data-intensive tasks, project managers can focus on higher-level strategic activities. They can spend more time on leadership, stakeholder engagement, problem solving, and decision making, all of which require human intuition, creativity, and emotional intelligence. This collaborative approach, where AI and human project managers work together, leads to more efficient, successful project outcomes. AI enhances the effectiveness of project managers, but it doesn't replace their essential role. Conclusion: AI enhances, but doesn't replace, project managers. While AI brings incredible efficiency and data-driven insights to project management, it cannot replace the critical human qualities that are essential for effective project leadership. Emotional intelligence, creativity, ethical decision-making, and adaptability are all vital skills that project managers bring to the table. The future of project management lies in a collaboration between AI and human leadership. The most successful project managers will be those who embrace AI as a complementary tool while maintaining their essential role in guiding, motivating, and leading teams. So, to answer the question, no, AI won't replace project managers, but it will empower them to be more efficient, strategic, and effective in their roles. If you found this content insightful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your team, and subscribe to NX Chair for more expert insights on project management and technology. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think AI will ever fully replace project managers? Let's discuss in the comments section. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.